When spouses divorce, a court might order one to pay the other alimony, also known as spousal support or spousal maintenance. Alimony consists of periodic payments intended to provide financial support. But what if, down the road, the parties' respective financial circumstances change? In Metcalf v. Metcalf, we explore alimony modification. When Kenneth and Rita Metcalf divorced in 1999, a court ordered Kenneth to pay Rita $2,000 a month in alimony for 10 years. 6 years later, Kenneth filed a complaint seeking a reduction of his alimony obligation, arguing that a reduction was appropriate because since the divorce, his income had decreased and Rita's had increased. The district court denied modification, concluding that Kenneth had failed to prove a material and substantial change in circumstances warranting new terms. Kenneth didn't appeal that decision. Instead, approximately 2 months later, he filed a second complaint seeking a reduction of his alimony obligation. The court concluded that modification was only permissible if Kenneth proved a material and substantial change in circumstances since the date of the previous modification hearing. Although the evidence showed that both Kenneth and Rita were struggling financially, the court concluded that it didn't show any material change in circumstances occurring in the few months since the previous action. The district court therefore denied Kenneth's second modification complaint, and the state appeals court affirmed. Kenneth appealed to the Nebraska Supreme Court, arguing primarily that the lower courts erred in requiring him to show a change in circumstances since the earlier modification proceeding rather than since the original divorce.